Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wemimo and I'm also known as Dark Memo 5. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So today I've got an unboxing for you. Like, I know I am a gadget freak. Yes, I am a gadget freak. Immediately, well, I'm sure you can tell from the title there that I'm going to be unboxing a device. Like, I'm a gadget freak, I know that. So the new Samsung Fold, yes, immediately I saw the advert for that phone, I knew straight away in my heart that it's something I wanted. Like, I am team Android. This is my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So I've been using it for, by October, it's going to be 2 years approximately that I've been using it. And I guess we in the UK, we are quite lucky because most of our gadgets, we get to use it, we get it from mobile phone companies on contract, which means that if you take out a mobile phone contract, you've got 2 years to use it and you pay monthly. And at the end of the 2 years, the phone automatically belongs to you. So I am team Android. I've always loved Android mobile phones, most especially the Samsung Galaxy series. Like, the one I used before this one was an S9 Plus. I used it for 2 years, and by the time I used it, I could still pass it off as new. And then on the Christmas, running up to the Christmas 2019, I sold it on Facebook Market for a whopping £180. Meanwhile, my mobile telephone company wants me to trade it in, and then they're probably giving like a change. I'm like, no. So with this now, this is my S10 Plus, and by October it's going to be 2 years, and look at that, it still looks as new. It still look new as ever. And the plan for this is to also sell it somewhere, maybe on Facebook Market as well, because I know people, Christmas is around the corner, people are looking to, like, buy gadgets for their children, and I'm just gonna be selling this. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. That's why I'm super excited. Like, I've had this was delivered to me, it's still in the box, I've not taken it out. Reason being that I ordered a phone case for it, and because the phone case is not here yet, I don't want to open it and start using it. I didn't take out any insurance for this, so I don't want to say whereby I'm going to drop it or I'm going to leave it somewhere and not find it. So it's still in here, so I'm going to be unboxing this with you. So I'm sure you can all tell my mobile phone provider is EE, and you know what, it took forever. I was trying to get a better deal for this mobile phone because everywhere I go, they were like, oh, it's the most expensive device right now. It sells for £1,569. I'm just going to go check the price just to be sure of that, because by the time the monthly pay they were going to charge me was too much. I'm like, no way, there's no way I'm going to be paying that. So let's check the price of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3. So in the UK, on the Samsung website, it costs £1,599. That's what I'm saying here. Do I look like somebody who's about to slash £1,600 on a mobile phone? So I guess, once I had the opportunity of upgrading from this mobile phone, I just thought, I would go for it. And looking at the monthly price, it's still within the budget. I can't complain as compared to, going to pay £1,600 cash. So let's go into unboxing this. So I've just cut out the pack, and that's everything out of the box now. So it came with so it says I've ordered the Samsung Z Fold 3 5G 256GB, and I've got it in the color black. So this letter actually shows me my IMEI number, should in case anything is wrong with it. That's how they're going to track it. So that's what that is. And then I don't know what's in this. Jazz from EE. So right, this is the baby. Ooh, this is the baby. You know what, this phone has given me sleepless nights. because I just love, like, when I saw the ad, I knew, like, yes, I wanted this. I wanted this badly. So we're just going to open that. So let's open this. So it's got the wee sticker there to open the box, and it does says that if the seal is broken, then don't open it or something. But how would they know if the seal was broken? Because this was delivered to me about 3 days ago, so I'm just opening it now. Right, so that's that. And the packaging is so sleek. Like, look how beautiful that packaging is. Like, look at that. Super sleek and chic. It's super sleek. Right, so I'm opening it. It's as if I'm unboxing a watch or a jewelry. This is super pretty. That's the case in there. And look at that. I don't want to blind you with my lighting. Look at that. Like, how beautiful is that? How beautiful is it? This is my early Christmas present. So I'm going to take it out of the box. So that's it there. And this is what the back looks like. There we are. Don't know if you guys can see. My lighting might be blocking you guys. So let's start that. So that's how it looks like. And then I've got like the wee accessories that comes with it. If you're going to open it up to pop your pin in it, that's that. And the charger. I don't know why they don't give us the plugs anyways. Like, so I've got the charger there. So now let's set this up. I'm just going to remove my SIM card from this one. So let's take off the rubber around it. This is tear rubber. According to Nigerian, they'll say tear rubber. When they buy a car, if the car doesn't have bubble wraps in it, or like wrapping it around or wrapping the chairs out, they don't call it. But if you buy a car in Nigeria and it has bubble wraps covering the seats, they call it tear rubber. So this one is tear rubber. So let me tear rubber now. There we are. Oh god, it's super pretty. Look at that. It's so beautiful, like absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at the camera. Like, ow, look at that. It's beautiful. I know you guys can see my ring light. Look at how beautiful that is. So I'm gonna try and turn this on. Wish me luck, I know where to turn it on. So let's turn this on. I hope that's where it is. There we go. It's super sleek. I've not even tried folding it yet. You know, it's giving me a Samsung vibe at the back. There we go. So I'm putting that on. I'm just going to wait for that to load. And I'm going to try and fish out my it says I should start. So do you guys want to set this up with me? It says I should start. Okay. And it's giving me start in different languages. So I'm just going to wait for it to go back to English. And then I can start it up. So I'm waiting for it. So that's a start there. Just click on start. And it says insert a SIM card. So I'm just going to pop in my SIM card into this. I've popped my SIM card in there. So I've popped my SIM card in there. So there we are. So it's asked me to start English next. I'm gonna quickly set this up and I'll be back. So it's actually asking me now if I want to copy the stuff I have on this my phone here onto this, but I've got lots of stuff on this, so I'm not going to copy what's on my old Samsung. I'm not going to copy it onto this one, so I'm just going to leave it for a fresh start. So I'm halfway into setting this phone up, so it's just saying that it's going to take a few minutes for it to set up. So far I'm loving this phone. I've not even tried the fold here, so I'm going to try and fold it in your presence in a second. Look at that. It's just amazing. Look at how sleek it is. Like, look at that. It looks like a wallet. How awesome is this? Like, I just love this. Like, it's a super awesome mobile phone. Like, I love it. Let's open it back up again because I'm still setting this up. Look at this. Like, it's a very, very beautiful mobile phone. Like, see that. I'm still setting it up, guys. So yeah, so EE is my provider. Next, escape. So that's my mobile phone set up there. It's awesome. Like, it's a very, very beautiful mobile phone. Like, I don't regret taking out this phone at all. In fact, the camera is what actually sold it for me, and for the fact that it's a fold, like, it folds easily without any issues, it's another sell for me. That's the Android sound. Like, my phone is all ready and set up to go. You know what, if you don't want to sleep on this mobile phone, because I heard there's a scarcity of it. I remember when I was speaking to customer advisor on the phone, they were like, we don't have it on stock right now. We're going to update you on when it's going to be available. I was like, okay, I just want to go ahead and get the mobile phone. So they're like, oh, we're going to charge you. I'm like, how do you want to charge me for a delivery when you don't even know where you're going to get it yet? So yeah, so let's say I placed an order on a Monday and they told me they don't know when they will have it in stock, and then 2 days later I got a text message saying it's going to be delivered. So it was a super awesome service from EE. I absolutely love this phone. I love it. I'm going to look after this phone for the next 2 years. I'm team Android any day, anytime, and I think this is my Christmas present stroke anniversary present that I already got already. So yeah, that's me. So I thought I'll come in here and unbox my Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G phone with you. Like, look at that. It's a very, very beautiful phone. It's beautiful. Like, it definitely suits me. Like, there's so many functions. Like, I've watched a lot of reviews on this phone, I've watched a lot of videos on this phone, and I can't wait as to what I'm going to be doing with it. Like, I can't wait with all the features I'm going to be doing with it. So I'm starting on a fresh start on this phone. I'm not going to be transferring the stuff from my old phone. I'm not going to be transferring it onto this. So, and then I've already ordered a mobile phone case for it, so hopefully once it comes, then I'll be able to look after this phone the more. So yeah, this is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G from EE, and I absolutely love it. Right, if you have enjoyed my unboxing and you want to see more of this or what is on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to share with you what I've got on this mobile phone with you. So if you enjoy this and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Why don't you like this video, drop a comment in the comment section for me, and also subscribe. What are you waiting for? Like, I'm looking at you like, why you not subscribe? And also click on that tiny bell. It's just to notify you of anytime I upload another video, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.